Welcome to this comprehensive overview of YouHodler, a powerful crypto wallet platform designed to help you maximize the potential of your digital assets. In this video, we'll explore its main features, including earning interest on crypto, accessing crypto-backed loans, and using advanced trading tools to grow your portfolio. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Starting with the dashboard, YouHodler offers an intuitive interface where you can manage your assets with ease. Upon logging in, you'll see an overview of your wallet balance, available tools, and promotional offers. The platform supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins like USDT and USDC. One of YouHodler's standout features is its high-yield savings accounts. You can deposit your crypto assets and start earning competitive interest rates, with payouts made weekly. For example, by depositing USDT, you could earn substantial passive income with rates higher than many other platforms. Next, the crypto-backed loan feature allows you to access instant liquidity without selling your assets. You can use your crypto as collateral, borrow funds in fiat or stablecoins, and maintain ownership of your holdings. This is particularly useful for users looking to leverage their crypto without sacrificing long-term growth potential. The multi-HODL tool is another exciting feature, enabling users to amplify their portfolio through risk-managed trading strategies. It's ideal for those who want to experiment with trading while keeping a portion of their holdings secure. To deposit funds, simply navigate to the Wallet section, select your preferred cryptocurrency, and generate a deposit address. Transfers are fast and secure, allowing you to quickly find your account and start earning. Don't forget to check out the exchange feature, which allows you to seamlessly trade between cryptocurrencies and fiat. This is perfect for diversifying your portfolio or cashing out profits with minimal hassle. If you're new to YouHodler, signing up is straightforward. Use the link in the description to create your account and receive a special bonus. Whether you're looking to earn interest, access loans, or trade, YouHodler has something for every crypto enthusiast. Subscribe to the channel and give this video a like for more in-depth tutorials and reviews. Stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your crypto potential.